Okay, so we thought if we use batch production as a process, we might be able to make a yo-yo for everybody in year 6. And we talked about what batch production was, between 50 and 250 pieces, and that everything we do in batch production affects everybody else. Hopefully your friends did a really good job and the components that you were passed were fantastic and helped us to make enough yo-yos for everyone to take one home. You won't get that in Key Stage 3 from Design and Technology, but you will today. Your challenge, if you choose to accept it, is to take home one of these sheets and to further develop your yo-yo. And I want you to look at 3 areas. I want you to look at its function. Function is, what does it do? How could you improve the yo-yo function? I might weight the yo-yo. You could put some clay or Play-Doh on the side. You might improve the way it looks. You might decide you're going to paint it or coat it in resin or spray it or something completely different or change the string. And lastly, is there any way you could improve the technology and the materials that we used? In your design, maybe you add lights and bearings. Up to you.
Okay, some of you know me, some of you have spent some time with me. We've done some work together in drama or in Shrek, some productions, yes, and I hope that some of you are going to join our production at the end of the year in term 2. So, I am Miss Jess and I am the Year 7 registered teacher, but I am also your drama teacher, okay? So, let me ask you a question quickly. Is drama only about acting on a stage? No. Why not? Okay, she says singing, that's fine. Dancing. But that's also on a stage. Is it only about a stage? Learning how to do it. Do you just naturally wake up one day and go, oh, Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou? No, okay. We're going to start with a little bit of a warm-up because it's a bit dry in here. What does it mean if it's dry?
It's not wet.
That's very true. But in a different sense, like in a verbal sense. Boring, it's a bit boring. Nothing's really happening. Okay, we look at each other in the eye and we acknowledge each other. Hello?
Hello?
Right, we see each other. But we're not going to use those words. We're not going to use any words. I'm going to laugh at Tamar. And Tamar is going to laugh back at me. Now I'm going to move on, and I'm going to find the next person, and I'm going to make him laugh. And I'm done. I'm going to move on. Ooh. Right, find your string and pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Oh, 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 oh. Starting to get a bit harder to pull now. Right, it's someone's tugging. Can I go any further? Oh, even my forehead is like pulling up. Okay, it's hard, it's really hard. Okay, and generally we don't talk like we used to either. Okay, we're going to start moving. And we're going to start judging everybody and talk to the people that you come across. Oh, I don't like this anymore. I'm old, I'm tired. Oh, no. Oh, some people have got a walking stick. I can see that they need some help with judging them. Well done. They're going to sort of open up a little bit, okay? Right, you're going to sit with your hips down. And old men, put a string on your chin. And now pull it down. Did you have some fun?
Yes!
Good. So if you stick with us next year, I will be your teacher. And I will be your drama teacher. Okay, so have fun.